Buying a house is easily one of, if not the most important decision that you will ever make in your life. It's also a decision that many first-time homebuyers could use some helpful advice on. Fortunately, the Tennessee Housing Development Agency is here to help with their Great Choice Loan Program. GreatChoiceTN.com is a great place to start for basic information. After that, go to one of the lenders who offers the Great Choice product, and you can find that list on the website as well. Chances are where you bank may well be an originating agent for THDA. So start there if you've already got a lending relationship with somebody. But then go to that lender, and they will get you set up. Ask them about the Great Choice product. But essentially, if you've got reasonable credit, we can take as low as about a 640 credit score. We can go up to about a 45% debt-to-income ratio. That's pretty good flexibility. We assume you're going to have sufficient income to be thinking about home ownership. And again, in this area, single-person household earning about $65,000 a year, you qualify. Larger family earning up to about $76,000, you qualify. And that's pretty much it. Then you do the paperwork and you get the mortgage. Now, there's one kicker. We're going to require you to get 8 hours of home buyer education from somebody that we've certified to do it. And here's why. We find that a better prepared, better educated borrower understands his or her financial responsibilities and all the other things that aren't in the home ownership brochures, like when the water heater breaks, it's on you. When you need a new roof, it's on you. The landlord's not coming to do that. And we've found folks who are going, geez, I got to go to 8 hours of class. But those are also the people who stay after an hour asking extra questions because I'm like, I didn't know that. Tell me about this. Even at the height of the financial collapse, when something like a third of subprime loans got delinquent, our numbers were always about a third of that. And we're dealing with that customer who comes in with perhaps slightly lower earnings, slightly less credit, the kind of customer you would perhaps be concerned about. But they didn't get into trouble because we have prepared them for home ownership. And sometimes folks go into one of our counseling partners, and the best thing that they hear is someone going, look, why don't we wait 6 months till your credit score is up and your debt-to-income ratio is down? Then you're going to be in better shape to do to do this, and there's a greater likelihood that you'll succeed. We don't do anybody a favor putting them in a house that they're in danger of losing after a year. That's just a bad outcome all around, and this is a better approach. As I say, I disagree with the folks who think that to get the housing economy going, you have to revive the subprime market and some of the lending trends that you saw 10, 12 years ago. I think the state housing finance agencies, particularly for first-time home buyers, that we have the product that can responsibly help you. And if you can't quite get to our credit box yet, chances are your best bet is to wait a little bit and work your way into that. Because if you've got a credit score much lower than that, if your income isn't right where it needs to be, you're going to have a lot of trouble trying to get into, and we want people to succeed. We want this the biggest investment most people make. We want you to be happy with it. We want it to be a source of wealth building, stability for you and your family. I think that there are, in your area, in Bristol, in Sullivan County, a lot of people who are thinking about home ownership this year or in the near future who are a lot closer financially to that opportunity than they may imagine, because there is a lot of negativity out there about how hard it is to qualify. And we would just want those folks, invite them to spend a few minutes at GreatChoiceTN.com and check this out, and then talk to some counselors or talk to your lender and see whether am I a good fit for this? And what kind of shape am I in? And is maybe this is the good time to go. And I think we've got the opportunity with a good product, down payment assistance, that really makes that work for an awful lot of first-time home buyers. We tell folks, great choice is what we call it. We really think the great choice is what it is. For more information on the THDA's Great Choice Loan Program, please visit www.greatchoicetn.com.